Hello, beautiful people. It's me again, DJ, and welcome to Tahanang Noypi. Um, I wanted to apologize. I'm so sorry I didn't upload videos. It took me so long before I upload another one because I didn't realize it's quite difficult to allot extra time when you're having this building house project. So I'm so sorry. But of course, I am trying my best, to make sure that you are all updated. Please don't forget again to please like, share, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you don't miss anything. So, for all updates. I'll make sure to allot more time. I'm sorry again. Alright, without further ado, let's check it out. This is the third week of our tiny house project. As you can see, we are already working on the main posts since the flooring and the footing foundation is already hardened. These posts are already treated when we bought them. And I want to show you the way we did to place the wooden posts to the concrete footing. We used 4 angle bars to each footings, and they are all measured properly for the posts. Alright, let's see the closer look or the closer view of those angle bars. Those are the posts. There we go. Those are the angle bars. Then we just put the post in there. And then we screwed the wooden post to that angle bar. One more thing, we put the 3mm thick metal sheet under the wooden post so it's not standing directly to the concrete. That way it will prevent the wood from early rotting. And let me play the fast track of our tiny house framing. And then this is our week 4. The core framing is already completed, and we are now working on the roof trusses. So we are now starting to put the plastic insulation sheet. Now the insulation sheet and roofing are already done, except for the flashing. The skilled worker had an accident, but not here on our side, so we will just park temporarily that roof flashing for now. And I'm so sorry I'm not able to shoot that part where we're putting both insulation and metal roofing. It's pretty difficult to climb that high, but I will definitely make it up to you when I've got my drone. Haha, someday. But yeah, I will really show you the entire project site once it's fully furnished. Again, during this week, aside from the roofing, we already completed the entire framing, and I think it's ready for the walling. And it is now week 5. We hired additional people to work on the kitchen flooring because there will be a typhoon that will fall within this week. So we're trying to at least close and fill up this part where we will have our kitchen. And unfortunately, we haven't completed the fill up because it is already raining heavily. So within the day, we didn't finish it. Water will just flash out the sand. And as expected, the next day, this is our project site situation. I will show you the comparison from the day 1 and this day after the typhoon. Alright, on the the right side is the day 1 and the left side is after the typhoon. So that's the difference. But we still feel lucky that the flood didn't reach our floor area. Actually, I can count this as one of the advantage on building house during a rainy season. We can already see the problems like the flood, the roof leaks, etc. That way we can implement repairs and adjustments as early as now. So when we're already moved in, those are already fixed. And since the rain still won't stop and there's still flood, we continue on the walling of the main house. So we still park the kitchen and the bathroom part. This is going to be our exterior wall. We called it sawali. It is a bamboo skein that we weaved, that is weaved like that. We are not the one who weaved it. We just bought it like that as a roll, per roll rather. This is normally used for native Filipino houses, which is known as Bahay Kubo. I'm not sure if I already said this to our previous videos, but our theme for our tiny house is modern Bahay Kubo. That's what we're aiming to have at least, and hopefully it will turn okay even we don't have an architect or engineer who design it. Then we're already in our 6th week. Yay! The flood water is still high, so the bathroom and toilet and the kitchen area is still on standby. We focused on the walls, stairs, and electrical setup. After 2 days, I believe, we're able to proceed on the kitchen area since the water or the flood water is not that high. The footing and the roofing is done on that kitchen part, and I'm so sorry, please forgive me, I totally forgot to shoot while we're in the process. Then on the other side, we're starting to put the interior walls and electrical wirings. This is this simple electrical floor plan I made only to show our electrician where I wanted the lights, fixtures, switches, and outlets for the entire house. that will be our week 3 up to week 6 episode. So please stand by, please stand by for our next one, or next upload. Okay. As you can see at my back, it's really messed up. That's because we're now prepping all our things for the move out. And we're moving into that new tiny house. I'm so excited to share with you the final look. I'm going to give you the final tour. But of course, we still have, a few weeks of uploads for the process. So please stand by. And again, I know this is a lot, but I'm so thankful. Please like, share, subscribe, and click that notification bell. Thank you very much for those who watched my videos. Thank you very much for the likes. It's really, a lot to me. Thank you again. And see you on the next videos.